Knotties, this is Queen Knotti coming to you with another DIY. I'm working with patches today. Yes, as you can see, this jacket here, I purchased it and it was plain, and I decided to bedazzle it a little bit with patches. And this, I'm gonna get close here. This patch has little rhinestones on it, and I was thinking about placing this patch here, and also a little crown here, and there's just so many things you can do with this project. Now I'm just going to show you just a few of my collections, and what I usually do for placement. I have a box of straight pins, and what I do is I pin them on the area of the garment which I want to have the patch placed on. And I'm just going to try to hold it up closely. And the patches, you can sew them on, you can iron them on, or if you have a glue gun and you're sure that that's the permanent place that you want, and you're not going to switch up. I switch my my patches up all the time, so I either base stitched them or iron them on t-shirts, hats, and I'm going to show you the next project, next idea. As you can see, I am wearing my hat here, and we'll take the patch and I will place it here. And that's a cute idea, see? And you could take it off, and it's up to you, Knotties, whether you want to sew them on, iron them on, or if you have a glue gun, if you like to just glue on, you notice your favorite hat, and you just want to put the patch there, and you can do it like so. That is so cute. Look at it, check it out. Yes. And I'm going to try another one. This is a fun smiley face, and you can put it there if you like. And Knotties, also you can buy the pins. These are little push pins, and they come with just like if you think of an earring, a post on the back, and you can stick these little clasp grab onto the back of it, and you can just decorate it for your children. Great arts and craft projects for little ones. So that was just a little idea that I wanted to share with you. And this is another idea. You can order these patches online, purchase them from eBay, Amazon, or Michael's, any craft stores. They sell these patches, so you can collect them, and you can place it here. I'm just going to pin this here so you can see. Maybe I'll put it here up on the upper thigh. This is another idea, Knotty. This is an old shirt. I be in and out the thrift shop, but my fashion don't look cheap, honestly. Now, this is the back of the jacket. Again, the patch. I placed the pin here. I'm going to sew them on later on. I just want to share this idea with you. And these are some of the ideas. I collect so many patches. I get requests to design shirts and so forth, but this is something, if you want to do and take on the project and do it yourself, this is a fun DIY, and it's nice for the weekend, and you just don't want to get dressed up, you just want to feel comfortable. This is a very fashionable statement, and again, I think this shirt probably cost me maybe $2 or $3, really. Oh, and the patches may range from $5 on up. It depends where you purchase them from. You can catch a sale on the patches. Check online, And some of you may recognize this jacket with my Soul Locks jacket. Yes. So this is the finished project, and you can, like I said, you can decorate your hat. As you notice, I changed the patch on the hat. This is another one of my designs. This is a denim jacket with nice fur on it. And believe it or not, this fur, I had it on, I can't remember, on something else, and I didn't want to throw it out or anything. So these are some of the ideas what you can do to a denim jacket. On the back of it, again, it's endless what you can do with patches. You can put it on the back here. And here what I'm going to do is I'm going to place this patch on the back of the jacket, like so, with a straight pin. And stick it on. And yeah, there you have it. Yeah, so that's another idea. One of my Queen Knotti styles. Check it out. And then this jacket here. And as I mentioned before, to have it clean, I base stitch this, meaning I have it. I have this on with needle and thread, base stitch, and when I'm going to have it clean, I'm going to wash the jacket, I can take it off. Same thing you can do with the patch. It all depends on you if you want to sew them on, iron them on, or glue it on. And sometimes, like I'll just base stitch it because I know I switch my patches quite often. On denim, you can do anything you want. I hope this will help you, Knotties. And this is Queen Knotti signing off on another DIY. I hope you enjoy it. See you later on my next video. See you later, Knotties. Bye-bye. Don't forget to hit that button and subscribe. Thank you for tuning in. Bye-bye.